To export Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigate to the Social Media Toolkit section. This is where you can manage and track your social media performance across various platforms. Once you are in the Social Media Toolkit section, click on the Reports tab where you can find the social media data you want to export. Semrush allows you to track your social media performance in terms of engagement metrics such as likes, comments, and shares. You can also track your competitors' social media performance and compare it with yours. To export the data, click on the Export button and choose the format you want to export the data in. You can export the data in CSV or Excel format. Choose the data range you want to export and select the social media platforms you want to include. In the export, you can export data from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, among other platforms. After selecting the data range and social media platforms, click on the Export button to download the report. The report will include metrics such as engagement rate, follower growth, and content performance. You can use this data to analyze your social media performance and create a strategy to improve your engagement and follower growth. It is also a good idea to track your competitors' social media performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following these steps, you can easily export your Semrush Social Media Toolkit and use the data to improve your social media marketing efforts. Remember to regularly track and analyze your social media performance to get the most out of your social media marketing strategy. Regularly exporting and analyzing your social media data can help you identify areas of improvement and create a data-driven social media marketing strategy. This can help you increase your engagement and follower growth and ultimately drive more traffic and sales to your website.